This is the practice test for decimal numbers, and here we're looking at number 3, and we're asked to round 10 and 859 thousandths to the nearest tenth. And I've put down below here the steps for rounding a decimal number. The first step is we want to find the place value where we are rounding, which in this case is the tenths. And then we look at the number to the right, and if that number is less than 5, then our place value remains the same. If that number is 5 or greater, then our place value increases 1. And then after we've rounded at our place value, all the numbers to the right of the place value fall off or disappear. So in this case, we first find the place value being rounded, which is the 8, as I've indicated here with the arrow. In the tenths place, the 8 is in the tenths place. And then we look at the number to the right, and we have a 5. So because it is 5 or greater, then that means our place value is going to go up 1. The 8 is going to be rounded up to a 9. And then after that, all of the digits to the right of that fall away. So we have 10 and 9/10 is our final answer, and that would be letter D.